green, purple, yellow, blue, orange, Marshall, Everest, Sky, Rubble, Chase, Zuma. Hello and welcome to Tons of Toys. If you like Paw Patrol, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Today we're going to be hanging out with our good friends at Paw Patrol, and we're going to learn some colors. And then later we're going to be learning about a very important insect. Let's meet our Paw Patrol characters, see what they do, and open our Play-Doh cans. Let's start with Marshall. Marshall is a Dalmatian dog, very cute, and he's all about fire safety, being careful with fire. Inside of this can we have red Play-Doh. Let's see what we have here. We have a red Bumblebee. Up next we have Everest. Everest is a very cute little dog who's very good at knowing snow safety. Remember to always wear the appropriate hats, mittens, and coats when you're out in the snow. We have some green Play-Doh. A green Bumblebee. Alright, up next, we have Sky. Sky rescues animals from above. She is a pilot. She flies a plane. She's a very capable pilot. She's skilled at her job. Let's see what is in Sky's Play-Doh can. We have purple. We have some purple Play-Doh. We have a purple Bumblebee. Up next, here's Rubble. Rubble is all about safety when digging and doing construction. Inside Rubble's Play-Doh can is the color yellow. We have some yellow Play-Doh. And there's a bright yellow Bumblebee. Now to our right here is Zuma. Zuma is about water safety. He is a water dog. Zuma wants you to make sure that you know how to swim and that there's adults and a lifeguard present whenever you go swimming. Let's see what's in Zuma's Play-Doh can. We have the color orange. Orange Play-Doh. And there we have an orange Bumblebee. And lastly, we have Chase. We all know Chase. Chase is a police dog. He wants you to be safe when you are crossing the street. Make sure you look both ways and don't talk to strangers. Let's see what color is in Chase's Play-Doh can. We have some blue Play-Doh. And of course, we have a blue Bumblebee. Let's review our Bumblebee colors. Red. Green? Purple. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Now, bees are very important insects. They're the reasons why plants are able to flower, and they spend all day making honey. Now, these bees are very tired. They've been out all day helping plants flower and making honey. Let's help them go back home to their hive. Let's start here on the right. Let's help this orange bee get back home. There we are. The orange bee is back in his orange hive. Everybody remember what color this is? If you remember what color this is, make sure you comment below. Let's put this bee back in his hive. Now over to the left here, we have our yellow bee. Our yellow bee is very tired and wants to go home. Now all we have is 3 bees left. Let's grab our green bee and put him back in his home. Hey green bee, let's say goodnight. Grab our purple bee, put him back home, and then lastly we just have our red bee. Good night, red bee. Shh, our bees are going to sleep. Before we let them sleep though, our bees want to thank you for joining us on Tons of Toys. And make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed learning about colors and bees with Paw Patrol. And give us a big thumbs up.